Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another fun educational video. And right now I'm gonna show you guys 20 different ways that you can sneak your phone into class and not get caught. I know class can be boring at times, and I'm sure most of you, all you wanna do is take out your phone from your pocket and start using it while class is in full session. But of course, we all know that the majority of teachers would confiscate your phone and write you up if they saw you using your phone in class. So to avoid getting in trouble, here are 20 unique methods that will help you use your phone while in class without getting caught. Let's kick things off by using a very common and cheap school supply. This pencil box right here I got at Walmart on clearance for 50 cents. The bottom half is see-through and the top is a black solid color, and that is perfect for this as we will be hiding our phone in there. The only bit of work that goes into this is actually making an opening on the side of the pencil box. So choose any side that you want. I used a Dremel for this and ended up with this cool opening. Now I can easily place my phone in there and slide it out through the side with ease. It helps if you have some actual school supplies in there as well. See guys, from this point of view, it just seems like there's crayons in there. So while in class, you can be watching one of my YouTube videos by having your phone slide out. And when your teacher approaches your area, you can easily hide it inside by pushing it back in. Here's an even simpler way to achieve something similar without modifying your pencil box. Again, this is for those of you who like to get on YouTube during class. Take your phone and place it face down inside the pencil box, and again, this is a see-through pencil box. So while face down, secure it on with some tape so it stays put. To cover our tracks, put some school supplies in there. For example, here, I'll cover my phone up with some crayons. See how easy it is to watch my YouTube videos while you're in class? Just in case you get questioned about it, flip it over and open it to prove that there's nothing fishy going on. Here we have a hardcover book, which of course is something you can easily keep on top of your desk. How this book can help you use your phone while in class is the following. You'll have to loosen up the label from the back. That will allow you to adjust it more on the front to give you extra room to easily slide your phone in between the label and the hardcover. Pull it out and you can use your phone to get on Instagram and pretty much keep up with all your friends. For whatever reason, if you need to quickly hide your phone, just push it in and nothing to see here guys. See, from a bird's eye view, it looks like a regular book. Let me open up this plastic pencil case for you guys, and just as expected, there's some school supplies in there. That is a fair amount actually, because I can still place my phone inside without any complications. I'll just push it further down and that's it. I can have this on top of my desk and I'll have easy access to my phone. For example here, I pulled the pencil case down and I'm using my phone. But if I need to hide it, I just push it back in. If the teacher was to ask me to see what's inside, all I have to do is pull it up from the top just a bit so that my teacher sees that there's nothing but school supplies in there. When it comes to things like these, you gotta outsmart your teachers. If you like playing video games while in class and you don't want to get caught, well, using a calculator might be your solution. Assuming that the class you're in requires the use of a calculator, get yourself one that's a bit larger than your actual phone. For example, this one right here, I can slide off the cover and place my phone inside. On top, I will stack the calculator, and that's it guys. Just adjust it to your comfort and you'll be able to play video games while pretending to be using a calculator. Check it out guys, here I have a very important package inside this yellow envelope. I know this because it actually says so on there. Well actually guys, this envelope is empty, but that's okay because our phone will actually be going in there. So start off by sealing it shut. It has to look very legit. Now on the bottom, we will cut a slit that's big enough to insert our phone. Just like we did with a few of these methods, use your phone while in class, but if you sense you are about to get caught, push the phone all the way inside and it will just appear like you have a very important document on top of your desk. It could pretty much be anything, but either way, your teacher won't be giving you any problems. Here I have a yellow folder and inside it contains my homework. Well, what I like about this particular folder is that it's made out of paper, so I can easily modify it. My modification will be on one of its pockets. I'll be making a cut on the edge to create a simple flap. Here's how you guys can use this folder to sneak your phone into class. While the flap is open, tape the phone onto it facing up, just like I'm doing right here. Keep this folder handy on your desk and resort to it when you need to use your phone. The best part is that you can easily hide it before you get caught. There's nothing better than having a good escape plan, right guys? Another similar way to use the pocket of a folder or a binder in this situation is to simply open it and slide your phone inside one of its plastic pockets like this one right here. What I like about these pockets is that they are see-through and I can still have full control of my phone. Same idea would apply if you were to take your phone and slide it in the plastic pocket outside of a binder. That way you can easily flip it open or close it to hide your phone. These are good methods if your desk is furthest away from your teacher. It's very low risk. While I was at the dollar store, I picked up this supplies pouch which I can easily attach to my binder. The best part about this particular pouch is the front. It has a plastic see-through cover. The back does not, which actually makes things a whole lot better. So let's take our phone and tuck it inside the pouch. While in class, keep your binder open as I have it right here, but for whatever reason, again, if you have to cover your tracks, just flip over the pouch. As you can see, the back is not see-through, so there's no reason for you to get caught if you try out this method. I lost track of the amount of times that I've used this red clipboard, but it never fails me, and the best part about it is that it's got a compartment inside. Typically it's used to keep paperwork and supplies in there. Instead, I will be putting my phone inside. So here it is, guys. It's opened and actually it's pretty big, it's large and spacious. So instead of sneaking your phone in, you can actually put a large iPad or a tablet in there and use it while in class. But since I don't have one handy right now, I'll just use my phone. So the way that I'm gonna keep my phone in there is by taping it on. That way it stays put. I prefer the bottom corner as it's easier to have access to my phone. You can have a lot of fun playing video games while in class just like me. The next few methods will rely on what you wear to class. For example, during the cold seasons, if you wear a scarf, you can easily attach your phone to it using a binder clip. Do it in such a way that it hides your phone, but that you are also able to have access to it while the scarf hangs from your neck. This method would also apply if you were to wear a tie into class. Just like we did with the scarf, attach it on with a binder clip. I recommend that you have your phone upside down though. It will make it easier to use while it's attached to your tie. The easiest way to use your phone while in class out of all these methods is to just tuck it under your sleeve. So yes guys, try wearing a long sleeve shirt or sweater. Just be very sneaky with this one, guys. When you feel you might get caught, just turn off your phone and tuck it inside your sleeve. Normally, teachers won't allow you to wear a hat in class, so most likely you'll have to remove it, but that's okay guys, because you can keep that hat on top of your desk and use it to hide your phone inside. If you keep it at an angle, the hat will block your teacher's view of your phone, and you can easily watch some of my YouTube videos while your teacher is giving a lecture. Yeah, I know it sounds bad, but oh well. Since most schools require their students to have their ID badges on them at all times, why not use yours to hold your phone? For this to work though, you'll need a large see-through badge holder, like this homemade one right here. All you do is slide your phone in and now you can keep up with your favorite social media apps. It's pretty obvious that this notebook has seen better days. It's pretty old, it even has whiteout stains on it. What I like about it though is that at the very front it has a half a page, which is supposed to act as a label. You can clearly see the barcode on the bottom. Anyway, this is pretty useless, but not for us as we will use it to play some video games in class on our phones. Just open up the half page and tape your phone on it. I recommend you use clear tape for this. That's pretty much it guys, look at that. Enjoy your favorite video games while in the classroom. If you need to put it away, just flip the page. For this next method, you are gonna need a few markers of the same size. If you don't have markers, you can use pencils or even large crayons. What we're gonna do here is arrange them side by side evenly. Keep them together with some clear tape. On top we can place our phone, and again more clear tape will be used to attach the phone onto the markers. Now you won't have any issues using your phone in class. Just make sure you place the phone face down whenever you need to hide it from your teacher. All they will see is just a bunch of markers, nothing to be suspicious about. If you were to take 2 stacks of sticky notes and place them on top of your phone, you can easily cover it completely, and from a bird's eye view, it would not look fishy at all. You can't even tell there's a phone underneath. Now guys, please use tape at each end to attach the phone onto the sticky notes. All that's left to do for me now is to lift up the sticky notes and I'll be able to play my favorite game. To hide my phone, all I have to do is place the sticky notepads back to how they were. Playing video games in class is the best way to kill time. So lastly guys, if you go to your local dollar store, you can get yourself an index card file box. These are great to help you use your phone in class. I especially like this box because the top is not see-through, unlike the bottom portion. It's also the perfect size to place my phone inside the top. Clear tape will keep it in place, and that's it guys. Check it out. This is how I can easily use my phone while sitting at my desk in class. If teacher asks me what I'm doing, I can say that I'm just going through my note cards. Simple as that. And that is 20 ways that you guys can sneak your phone into class without getting caught. If you like this video, I hope you already gave it a like. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.